traffic in the Ballarat area. Bravo Sierra Victor IFR 172 is taxiing Ballarat for Moorabbin, overhead departure runway 18. The CTAF call here?
Yep. No, keep listening. Yep.
Okay. Just when I'm normally flying VFR, I turn it off because people talk through the middle of it.
That's right. So this time we need to hear someone talks.
Right. Ballarat traffic, IFR Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor taxiing runway 18 for Moorabbin. Ballarat.
Ballarat Aerodrome.
Okay, we're lined up. We're going to do a right turn. And keep turning right.
Okay.
Until we're at... So at what point do we make the call? That's
passing 2,000 feet.
2,000 feet. Okay. And we're talking to them. Ballarat traffic, IFR Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, rolling runway 18 for an overhead departure to Moorabbin. Ballarat. Right, go. Power. Off the brakes. Speed's alive. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. 50 knots. 60.
Climb about 10 degrees north up.
And that's 500 feet off the deck. Yep.
I'll select you the centre.
Okay.
Jetstar 702, flight level 380.
Jetstar 702, Melbourne Centre, good afternoon. When ready, descend to flight level 250.
Ready, flight level 250, Jetstar 702.
Jetstar 465, contact me 122.75.
122.75, Jetstar 465.
Melbourne Centre, IFR Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, airborne Ballarat, 2 POB, stand by for departure.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Melbourne Centre, good afternoon. Squawk 3620, there's no reported IFR traffic. It was a specie issued for Ballarat at time 0430, so you need the details.
Affirm, Bravo Sierra Victor.
3620. No, read back 3620.
Sorry?
You need to read back 3620.
Okay. Late for that now, or read it back?
Oh, no, read it back.
Bravo Sierra Victor, I've had the specie details when you're ready to copy.
Ready, Bravo Sierra Victor, and 3620.
Bravo Sierra Victor, thanks. The specie Ballarat issued time 0430 auto, wind 210 degrees, 5 knots, visibility in excess of 10 kilometres, cloud scattered 800, scattered 1200, overcast 1900, temperature 08, dew point 08, QNH 1009er, and 0.2 mils of rainfall reported since 9 a.m.
I just say Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, thanks. So you were you were straightening me up in the turn while we did that?
No, you were not climbing, you sort of started levelling off.
Contact me 128.5.
So we don't level off. We want to climb, and then we're going to make a turn.
Sorry,
We're still turning. So, yeah, this is my...
Velocity 328 centre, star clearance. RB.
What you're doing is right, okay? Just to give you a little nudge.
Maintain flight level 380.
Runway 34, flight 380, velocity 328.
Hey, got the track coming up.
Yep.
Good. Well, let's continue to climb.
Bravo Sierra Victor identified, verify level.
Bravo Sierra Victor, 4000.
Bravo Sierra Victor, thanks. Area QNH 1010.
1010, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, so we can go to autopilot.
Okay.
Heading straight ahead. Autopilot on. Heading and alt. And nav.
Bravo Sierra Victor, you are going to 5000.
Negative, Bravo Sierra Victor, amended, 4000.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Roger, are you visual or is that a pilot calculator lower safe?
It's a track lower safe, route lower safe. Yeah.
Route lower safe, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Roger, thanks.
Yeah, that's the usual question.
Alright. I'm glad she said it, because now I've got it on tape.
Don't worry, they got it on recording as well.
Yeah. Okay, so we're at 4000. And that's synchronised. We're on nav, we're on alt, and the area QNH.
We didn't need to give a departure because she gave us all the things before we gave her the departure.
Sorry, say again?
Before we gave the departure call,
yep.
She said all the things we need, like identified. We told her what altitude we are going to maintain, altitude.
Yep.
So we got nothing else to do.
I think she gave us a different QNH.
That's all.
Melbourne Centre, Bravo Sierra Victor, could I get the current QNH, please?
Bravo Sierra Victor, QNH 1010.
1010, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Alright. Good.
Right. Alright, now where are we? We're on our way to Estig. We've got 8.5 miles to go. And the revs are good. We're about to go into IMC. We're all set up. Our temperature is 3 degrees, so we'll put our pitot heat on. All of our lights are good, and we can do a clear off.
Velocity 328 when ready, descend to flight level 250.
This is coming around. Mine says 107.
Velocity 684, contact me 134.32.
13432, velocity 684. Velocity 684 on descent level 250.
Velocity 684, Melbourne Centre. Velocity 328 for sequencing cross.
This blue highlight, right? It tells you the hottest cylinder at the moment.
RB 05250 knots from RB, then published speed velocity 320.
Okay, now it's peaked.
Yep. So we go back the other way.
One more thing to do.
More thing to do. With
the HSI things.
We want to synchronise it. You shit artist.
Oh.
I'll get that one day. I'll be as good as you at that one day.
Shouldn't take long.
Okay, so we've got the QNH, we've got the weather.
Well, we do, but it's not going to be valid when we get there. Look, it's a little bit too early, but nothing wrong with having an idea about what's the weather doing. Moorabbin. Yeah.
So we can dial up the approach though, can't we? Too early?
No, you can. Yeah.
C684, roger. For sequencing, reduce speed to 250 knots into published speed.
Reduce 250 knots into published speed, velocity 684.
Thanks.
And it will be via Sierra Alpha. And our so with a straight-in approach, which is what we're expecting, and an accurate QNH, that'll be 450. And we can load that and go through it. So Sierra Alpha, 185. Why is it saying 185?